Welcome back to our class again. Now we want to do the question number exercise 2.3 fourth question. Okay, exercise 2.3 fourth question. Read the question. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus xa plus 2 by a polynomial gx. That means x cube minus 3x square plus xa plus 2 is px. Dividing by a polynomial by gx. Quotient and the remainder are given. Quotient is given as x minus 2 and the remainder is given as minus 2x plus 4. So you should read in the order not to change. So I will write on the board. P of x is given. P of x is given as question number 4. P of x is given as x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This polynomial is dividing by gx. Okay, this polynomial px is dividing by gx. Then what is the quotient getting? Quotient is x minus 2. Quotient means what we are writing? Qx. Quotient is x minus 2. And next remainder how much given? Remainder r of x is equal to minus 2x plus 4. Okay, and we have to find out gx. It is a one board examination question it is. So on dividing this polynomial by gx, quotient is given as x minus 2 and the remainder is given as minus 2x plus 4. So you find the value of g of x. First of all, you remember the division algorithm for the polynomials. Division algorithm of the polynomials. That means px is equal to, you also say along with me, px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. Px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. I will write on the board. Division algorithm, we know that px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. This is your division algorithm. Yesterday, the day before yesterday, previous one class I explained. Okay, here in this equation, which are you are knowing? Px knowing, okay, gx knowing, qx knowing and rx knowing. Which are the values you are knowing? We will substitute here. Here px I am going to write x cube. You also do write along with me. I will rub the board. Plus x plus 2 is equal to, and gx we are knowing. So gx into qx you are knowing as x minus 2. Now rx you are knowing as minus 2x plus 4. In the equation, wherever which are the values we are knowing, that values is written in the order. Px knowing, gx not knowing, and qx is given in the question, and rx is also given in the question. Okay. Now you want to find out gx. No, gx. That means this here, this term. Along with this term, which term is here? This term remove first. That means these terms you take this side. So I am going to bring this side. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. If you are this term bringing this minus 2x plus 4, we are bringing this side. Minus 2x coming this side, plus 2x will come. And plus 4 coming this side, minus 4 will come. Okay. That is equal to gx into x minus 2. Clear? Now, x here terms you add and subtract. X cube only one single term, so write x cube. Then minus 3x square also, x square term also only one, so minus 3x square, right? Okay. Plus x plus 2x, so that means you write 3x. Okay. Plus 2 minus 4. Same terms you add. Here x cube only single term and x square only single term, but x two terms are there, add them. X plus 2x, what will come? 3x. And plus 2 minus 4 minus 2 will come. Okay, plus 2 minus 4 minus 2 will come. Plus 2 and minus 4 minus 2. That is equal to gx into x minus 2. Okay. Now what is your question? Your question is to find out gx. How to find out gx? Along with the gx, what is there? X minus 2. So x minus 2 divide here. So I am rubbing upside. You may be written. Write along with me. Okay. That is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Here you want to find out gx. Therefore this x minus 2 multiply with gx. Therefore this side it is coming division. So x minus 2 is equal to g of x. Okay, you got the value of g of x. Now we will divide and write. Okay, clear? This point also I am rubbing here. Therefore, gx I am going to divide, see here. Division now knowing by 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2. That is equal to x cube. Here the terms, so you see here 3, here degree 2, here degree 1, degree 0. Here 1 and 0. So it is in the order. So first time by first time what is coming? X square. Okay, x square into x, x cube, x square into minus 2, minus 2x square. Okay, then change the sign, minus and plus. X cube minus x cube cancelling, minus 3x square plus 2x square means minus x square will come. Here 2 terms, here also we need 2 terms. So next one more term bring down, 3x. Okay, clear now? Any doubt is there, you ask any time. Okay, first term by first term, what is coming? Minus x. Minus x into x, minus x square. Minus x into minus 2, both are minus coming, so plus. Plus 2x. Here again change the sign and add it. X square minus x square will cancel. 3x minus 2x means x will come. Bring down the next term minus 2. Then again first term by first term, how much coming? 1. So 1 right here. That is equal to 1 into xx. 1 into minus 2 minus 2. Change the sign and add them. You are getting the answer 0. Okay. Therefore what is the answer of gx? Gx is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Therefore last conclusion, g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Okay. Now question number 5. Read the question number 5. Give an example of polynomials px, qx, gx, rx which is satisfying the division algorithm. So it should satisfy the division algorithm and it should satisfy the following condition also, such a way. So first condition is given as degree of px is same as degree of qx. All of you find out by yourself. Some examples you find out in your mind. Some examples find out in your mind yourself. So first you knowing division algorithm. I will write p of x is equal to gx into qx plus rx. And we want to find out px, gx, qx and rx which satisfying the first condition. First condition is this one. Degree of px is same as degree of px is same as degree of qx. This is the question. Degree of px should be same as degree of qx. Listen here. Here first you listen the division algorithm. P of x is equal to gx into qx plus rx. Okay, I will give you the hint only, you want to find out. And here degree of p of x, that is degree of this one, it should be same as degree of q of x. So degree here, suppose degree of px you are taking as x cube, degree of qx also you want to get x cube. That is the meaning. Degree of px and degree of qx should be same. Suppose degree 2 taking here, degree of this also wants to come 2. Degree of this wants to come 2, the meaning is that this will be constant. And here also what will come? It also will come constant only. For example, here degree 1 coming, then what will happen? Here the degree will be less than this one only will come. If degree of px and degree of qx want to come same, then gx, quotient, should be always a constant h. There is no other possibility. So I will show you an example. Listen here. So you want to get a degree of px and degree of qx same. So I will show you an example. P of x is equal to, any examples you take, 4x square plus 8x plus 20, anything take. And now I am taking the gx. Gx I am taking as 4. Either you take a 4 or you take a 2. 4. Why I taken 4? Division it is easy. And 2 taking, then also division will be easy. Now if you are taken gx of 4 now, then you can very clearly you can say the degree of qx will be same as 2 only will come. I will divide this only one, some I will divide and show you. So see here. So 4x square plus 8x plus 20 I am going to divide and show. So dividing by 4. 4x square by 4, how much coming? X square. X square into 4, 4x square. Okay. Here only one term, so here also bring down only one term, 8x. 8x by 4, how much coming? 2x. 2x, right? 2x into 4, how much coming? 8x. Okay, next to 20 bring down. 20 divided by 4, how much coming? 5. So 5 into 4, how much came? 20. So what we got the qx quotient, you see? Quotient qx is equal to x square plus 2x plus 5. Okay, see the degree of this one? 2. What is the degree of qx? 2. So in this way, degree of px and degree of qx you want to make it same. Always this gx, that means the quotient, that is the divisor. Divisor always you take a constant number only, not to include any variables. This type of any examples we find out. For example, 3x square plus 6x plus 7. You take that is gx as 3. So easily possible. Okay. Got clear now? This concept is clear. So here in the division algorithm, first you write. From this one you will analyze degree of px and degree of qx is same wants to come. Always you take the divisor polynomial as a constant only. Clear? In this way you can able to make many examples. This is the question is that I only give examples. Next question, what is given? Degree of qx is equal to degree of rx. Second question, degree of qx is equal to degree of what? Which one? Rx, no? Degree of rx. Degree of qx and degree of rx want to come same. Okay. Degree of qx and degree of rx want to come same. So I will give you an example. P of x I am taking it is x cube or x square, anything, x cube plus x. Okay. And gx I am taking as x square. Very clearly you can able to divide and see the answer. So here see, first of all, first term by first term dividing itself, what will come? X. Then the remainder x coming. Degree same coming now. We can divide and see. X cube plus x divided by x square. First term by first term, what is coming? X. X into x square, x cube. X into x square, what is coming? X cube. Change the sign and add them. So subtract, what you will get the answer here? 0. So bring down the next term. Now see the degree. What is the degree of this one? 1. Degree of 1 and here degree 2 came. So division stops there. Degree 1 coming down. Therefore division stops there. Degree of this polynomial is less than degree of this divisor polynomial coming. Then there the division stops. This all I explained in the previous class. Therefore division stops there. So what is this one? This is the remainder. And what is this one? Quotient. See the degree of this one? 1. What's the degree of this one? 1. Degree of qx same as degree of rx came now. This type of examples you take. That is, here 3 coming, here nearby polynomials taking easily it will come. So here 3, then here 2 take, here 4 coming, here 3 take, and we can see that. And along with this term taking also you have to consider properly. Okay, such a way you can able to select many examples.